work. A video within a video. Okay. Right. So this video is basically about how to create your Facebook business page. So for all of those who are looking to get a Facebook business page going because you already have your Shopify thing all set up, just bear with me. I'm trying to make this a little bit more reasonable in viewership. Okay. So the first thing that you're going to need definitely is your own Facebook business, your own Facebook page. So if you're not into a Facebook page, you're like, no, I don't do Facebook. This is something that you need to get. You need to get your own Facebook page. If you want to stay private, then just make a fictitious one. It doesn't matter. So the next thing obviously is you need to make sure your website's completed. Make sure your website's done. In this example, we're using Turbo, one of the best themes. We'll put descriptions down at the bottom if you wanted to do some Turbo. But ultimately, we're going to explain this in kind of like a 3-chapter video. All right, so remember, the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you have a Facebook page. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to actually create the Facebook business page. And you're going to click on that arrow all the way at the upper right-hand corner, okay? And once you do that, you're going to click somewhere where it says either manage pages. Let's see here, manage pages, manage groups. We're going to go to manage pages. And for, remember, this all changes throughout the process. Facebook, as we're recording this, they always kind of change. So once you do that, you're going to click right here where it says create page. And then you're going to get asked a little questionnaire, create a page. Is this a business or a brand? We're going to click on business. You're going to type the name of the business, right? So for this example, we're going to call it My Coffee Shop, right? Same thing as the business. And right here for category, I guess it's looking for something very general. So what we like to put is, retail company, because you're selling products. I tried to put e-commerce at this previous recording, so bear with me. But retail company is what made the most sense, okay? And then after you do that, what we're going to look at here is just a basic questionnaire saying, add your profile picture, which in this case, you're adding your logo. So contact your logo designer. Make sure you have a logo that's sized properly for the actual, for the page. In this step, we're going to skip it because it's pretty obvious. We just want to get things rolling for you guys. And the same thing goes for a cover photo. It's not mandatory, but it's good to have one. We're also going to press skip on this and just get right to the really good stuff. And that's about it. That's how we have the actual Facebook page itself, right? And just for safekeepings, what might be a good idea is to kind of like test it out. So right now we're using Chrome. And what I advise is just to grab the link on the top over there, or just open a separate tab and, do a search yourself. Type in My Coffee Shop the way I did it right here and see what you could find, right? It might show up, it might not show up, okay? Let's go up here. All right, My Coffee Shop. There's just this whole bunch because, again, I'm just making this as an example, so bear with me. What we're going to do instead is that we're going to just grab the link. That's what I'm trying to say, grab the link. Let's see here. Oh, of course, this setting, this backend setting, just fill all this stuff out. This is just regular stuff, okay? Let's see here. So fill all this stuff out. I think it's very generic so that people can learn more about your business. Okay, if you're going to add people also on the back end, you could do that too. Okay, so make sure you take your time on this part of filling all the information so that you can get validated with Facebook. Grab that link on the upper URL. Okay, let's see here. We're going to open another browser. We're going to open Firefox. I'm going to grab that URL and paste it, and boom, there it is. So the Facebook page is created. There's no content, which is okay, but you could see My Coffee Shop, retail company. The basic stuff is there, right? And your job next is just to kind of like add some images, add some post lifestyle images, etc. You could add things as you want. Notice how there's an add button there. We could create a call to action here so that people could actually go into your website. You click on this and say, all right, what do we want it to do? We want people to shop, right? We're going to click on shop with you. And then once you'll notice that you click on that, we want them to say shop now. Okay, say shop now. We want it to go to a website link. And then based on my example, we're going to grab the website from my coffee shop, and we're just going to go ahead and close this out. We're going to go ahead and paste it here. Okay, press save. And then pretty much that's all done, right? So what's going to happen? That button, shop now. Let's go ahead and test it out. Let's go test this button. When people click on it, it goes to the website. That's what we want it to do. Okay, so that's pretty much high level as to how to get the page done. This is a 3-part video. So hope you guys enjoy this. The next step, what we're going to talk about is how to create an ad account with Facebook. And then I think on part 3, we're going to talk about how to create a pixel. So watch these videos as you go. They have to be in order. Okay. Subscribe and like. You already know. Hope you enjoyed this video.